my God, it's my second one of the day. You think I've gone crazy, but I haven't. I can barely see. You can barely see me. I'll get over it. You'll get over it. We'll all get over it. Okay. We'll be fine. Well, how y'all doing? I'm doing good, I think. Sun's out. It's bright, it's shiny. I'm roasting. I'm actually sweating. Whew. Sweating. Oh, that helped a little. Sorta. Oh, sticking up. Yeah. Sort of helped. See a bird nest. Yeah. Okay, I'm over it. Oh. There we go. Conference call, or at least it looks like it. Oh, it's on my screen. But there we go. Still didn't put any makeup on. Yep, just chapstick. Hot and sweaty. Still hot and sweaty. But anyway. My lips is sucked up every single bit. I'm chapstick. Roasting. I actually got the air conditioner on, and people up north, well, like Michigan and stuff like that, they've actually got snow. And Tennessee's got buttercups and daffodils and stuff like that. Yes, I'm standing out on the road waiting for a school bus. You see, the schools and stuff has got rules to where if you ain't got anybody standing out on the bus run, then they got to take the kids back to schools. Yeah, I know about the bus. Click. But anyway, if there's nobody out here for the bus run, then they got to take the kids back to the schools. But anyway, it's a good rule. I mean, a lot of the parents don't like it, but hey, it's better than having your kids snatched up or run over. But hey, I don't care. Go get your kids. Get up off your butt. Put your computer down. Get away from your television. Go get your damn kids. Oh, look. Somebody's having to back out of their driveway and go get your kids. Really? It's what? 100 yards from the bus stop? Go get your kids. Make your kids use the public transportation. Really? You get over it. Kids get over it. Find something new to whine about. Really? Okay, now my butt's roasting because I got to turn towards the sun. See, now I got something new to whine about. Oh, sun. Okay, now my neck's hot. Hey, look, I'm a redneck. Ha ha. Oh, there we go. Could have brought an umbrella with me, block out the sun. Got a new poof going. Oh, bus 13. Nope, not ours. But really. Oh. I'm roasting. See, found something new to complain about. But seriously, I don't care. I'd rather have all this to complain about than having to complain about picking out a cough and picking out a line and picking out this, picking out that. Really? Seriously. think I'd rather have something like that. You know, the sun is shining, this and that is going on, than having to complain about picking out a coffin. Seriously? Oh, I had to walk down to the bus stop. I had to do this, I had to do that. Oh, that might be my bus. I don't care. Oh, the sunscreen's killing me. But seriously, I would rather have that to complain about. I don't care. I don't care that I have to wait for the bus. I don't care I have to walk down here and get it. Really, I'd rather complain about that. I'd rather complain about having to get my child. These people these days are stupid. Oh, I don't want to walk down and get them. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. Blah, 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 blah. Really? You people are stupid. They're called love bugs and children for a reason. I don't know. There's just too many stupid people in the world. Too many. A friend of mine, she's got her child's bus stop and it's right against the house. It's like 15 feet from her front door. I mean, that's just a little too close for my taste. But yeah, her bus stop is like 15 feet from the front door. And she stands at her front door. They'll pull up. And they'll stop. And I'm like, well, do you have to actually stand out there? And she's like, yeah. She goes, I'm a little crazy. She goes, I'll stand there and I'm like in my nightgown. Sometimes I'm in pajamas. And she goes, I'll stand there. And she goes, I'll wait for the bus. Or I'll stand there. And she goes, I'll wait for them to. Goes, I'll wait for them to come back. And she goes, I freak them out. She goes, I freak my daughter out. She goes, I'm wearing a nightgown one time. She goes, it's this little bitty ditzy thing. And she goes, I'm wearing a nightgown with a pair of shorts underneath it. And she goes, the bus driver, instead of him stopping, she goes, he goes blazing through. And I'm like, you're joking. She goes, no, she goes, it's this little bitty tiny thing. And I'm like, you're joking? She goes, no, he doesn't even stop. And she goes, he calls the cops, and the cop come by and he goes, you're wearing this little bitty ditzy thing. And she goes, the bus is coming through. She goes, but I'm wearing a pair of shorts underneath. She goes, I pull it up and you can see like the short leg. But he busts out laughing. He goes, he calls it in that I'm wearing like shorts underneath. And she goes, He's like laughing about it. Well, they called back to the bus. She's wearing shorts. And she goes, it's a woman monitor on the bus, and the woman monitor comes and walks up, and she goes, let's see. But yeah, she goes, I'm all time freaking them out. She goes, one time, she goes, I wore a tank top out there. I'm like, okay, I don't see the big deal about the tank top. She goes, I'm coming out there, and she goes, I'm wearing a bikini. I'm like, you're drunk, aren't you? And she goes, you know I can't drink. I was like, oh yeah. Because she's got this medical condition that, I'm not sure what it's called. Anyway, she gets the least little bit of imbalance between sugar and alcohol, but anyway, it causes this weird reaction. But anyway, she ends up hospitalized. And I don't know what it's called, but anyway, she ended up in the hospital one time, and that's when we were in high school. But anyway, it has something other to do with diabetes. But she ended up pretty sick. Lord of mercy, they let the gate open. It's ended up crazy now. Well, I'm over 12 minutes. I'm going to let y'all go. You probably won't even watch 12 minutes of the video. Well, I'm going to let y'all go. Bye. Just remember to like, subscribe, and share. Well, just at least do half of it. Bye.